TWS now has a huge fan following. Today I have brought some of the best TWS in the market right now. Do you want to know what all have I brought? Hey guys, welcome back to Purvika. The first one I have brought is Apple AirPods Pro. You really do not want me to tell you about Apple's quality. You know it is the best. When you unbox this AirPods Pro, you will find some manual, extra ear tips, warranty card and Type-C to lightning cable. You can even go wireless to charge these AirPods. It is so compact and very easy to carry, and it is also easier to pair this with your eye product. You just have to open it and bring it near your eye product. There is also a feature to check if these AirPods fit you perfectly. The call quality is also excellent as it has windproof, active noise cancellation and transparency mode. You will also get an amazing calling experience as they have used H1 chip. Every sound you hear will be detailed. Touch gestures are there, and also there is one press for attending and ending calls, play, pause and double press for playing the next song, and long press for activating Siri. It has an adaptive equalizer which adapts its tune to the song that you choose to play and give you the best possible experience. You'll get a theater-like experience as it has got spatial audio with dynamic head tracking feature. And of course it has multiple connectivity. You can connect it with your Mac and your iPhone and switch between them whenever you want to very easily. What an amazing product. Tell us in the comments how much do you like this Apple AirPods Pro. The next one on the list is Boat AirDops 138. It comes with a Type-C charging cable and it gets automatically switched on as soon as you open the box, as it has instant wake and pairing technology. And if you ask me about the battery, it will give you 12 hours battery life if you charge it fully. And it has touch gestures which pretty much does the same as the others. Single tap for play, pause, attending and ending calls, double tap for playing the next song and long press for voice assistance. I have brought another one from Boat AirDops 443. It is in-ear AirDops and we assure you it will give you an out-of-the-world experience. This AirDops is specifically designed for fitness enthusiasts as it has IPX7 rating for water and sweat resistance. So you can sweat it out at gym without worrying too much that you'll spoil your AirDops. And about the battery, it will give you 5 hours of playtime if you charge it once fully. And if you charge it with case, you can enjoy up to 20 hours of non-stop music. And guess what? It supports both Siri and OK Google. What? Can't wait to get these stylish AirDops? I have given you a link below in the description. Go check it out. OnePlus is one of the flagship level brands right now. I have brought OnePlus Buds C for you. It comes in an oval shaped case and there is also a button in the case. Open the case and place them in your ears. They will comfortably fit in there. They have also given us ear tips along with it. So what's so special about this earbuds? It has ear detection feature. What is it? Let me tell you. When you take them off, whatever you are watching or listening will get automatically paused. And then when you place them in your ears again, they will get automatically resumed. How cool is that feature? And it also has touch gestures and you can even customize it. If you ask me about the call quality, it is amazing as it has 2 inbuilt mics. And about the battery, it can sustain up to 20 hours. And if you charge it for 10 minutes with fast charging support, you will get 3 hours of playtime. Long lasting, right? And guess what? The bass is also improved. Bass lovers, you must check this out. The next one on the list is OnePlus Buds Overseas version. It comes in a compact size and they have given us active noise cancellation which you can switch it on or off whenever you like. It even has IPX4 rating for water resistance and it is also sweat proof. They have given us Type-C charging, and through fast charging, if you charge it for 10 minutes, you will get 10 hours of battery life. And if you charge it once fully, you will get 30 hours of battery life. This one has not 2 but 3 inbuilt mics. So the call clarity will be superb as there is also ANC support. It also supports touch gestures and you have to double tap for voice assistance. The last one on the list is from Oppo. It is Oppo Enco X. Oppo has recently tied up with Dynaudio and have given us this premium quality earbuds. And about the design, it looks like a replica of the first brand that we have seen. It is so compact and it comes with extra ear tips. And there is also a Type-C charging cable along with it. It has IP54 water and dust resistance and its active noise cancellation is simply superb. There is always someone who interrupts us while we are watching something. It has the amazing fit detection feature. As it has Dynaudio support and DBEE 3.0 system, you will get the best HD sound quality. and it even has LHDC wireless transmission codec support, so you will definitely enjoy the high resolution audio. And you know its battery life is 25 hours and you can even go wireless to charge these earbuds. The craze for TWS is increasing day by day and our list is also not over. There is even a part 2, so stay tuned, and if you like to purchase any of the products that I have mentioned in this video, I have given you a link below. Check it out, and there are more exciting offers, 2 hours fast delivery and ECMI options are available. And we have come to the end of this video, so do like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for regular tech updates. Thank you.